In the heart of the dense Amazon rainforest, hidden from the outside world, lay the legendary Jungle Cruise, a river known for its mysterious allure and untamed beauty. People from all corners of the globe would flock to experience its wonders and mysteries, for it was said that the river held secrets older than time itself. Among the adventurous souls drawn to this jungle was Captain Jack, a seasoned explorer with a love for the untamed wild. His rugged appearance and daring spirit made him a favorite among those seeking a real adventure. For years, he had navigated the treacherous waters of the Jungle Cruise, thrilling passengers with tales of ancient civilizations, magical creatures, and lost treasures. On one fateful day, as the sun rose over the jungle canopy, Captain Jack prepared his boat, the Explorer, for yet another thrilling expedition. This time, his passengers were a diverse group of explorers, each seeking something unique from the journey. There was Dr. Amelia, an archaeologist with a passion for unraveling the secrets of lost civilizations. She had heard whispers of an ancient temple deep within the jungle, rumored to hold unimaginable riches and artifacts of great historical significance. Next was Samuel, a wildlife photographer seeking to capture rare images of exotic creatures, some of which had never been documented by humans before. His camera gear was a testament to his dedication, and he couldn't wait to glimpse the elusive creatures of the jungle. Joining them was Emily, a young adventurer with a heart for conservation. She aimed to learn about the jungle's fragile ecosystem, hoping to raise awareness about the need for its preservation. Her mission was to make the world understand the importance of protecting such wilderness. As the journey began, Captain Jack skillfully navigated through the twisting river, regaling the passengers with captivating stories of ancient tribes and mystical beings. The jungle came alive with the sounds of chirping birds, chattering monkeys, and the occasional roar of an unseen beast. The first part of their adventure took them past breathtaking waterfalls and lush vegetation, but as they ventured deeper into the jungle, the atmosphere grew dense with a sense of enchantment. Captain Jack reminded the passengers to stay seated, for the river held many surprises. Soon, they approached an eerie section of the river, shrouded in mist. Here, the boat's searchlights revealed glowing eyes that seemed to peer from the darkness. Samuel's heart raced as he captured photos of glowing eyes reflecting in the night. Captain Jack assured them that these were harmless creatures, the elusive fireflies of the jungle. Continuing on their journey, they stumbled upon an ancient ruin hidden amidst the trees. Dr. Amelia's excitement was palpable, and she couldn't wait to explore the site. As they ventured deeper into the ruins, they discovered inscriptions and artifacts that spoke of an ancient civilization lost to time. The sense of wonder and history overwhelmed the explorers, leaving them with a newfound respect for the jungle's secrets. The Jungle Cruise was not without its dangers, and at one point, their boat encountered a group of mischievous monkeys that had a penchant for stealing hats and shiny objects. Emily's hat was snatched by one of the playful primates, leading to laughter among the group. But soon, the atmosphere shifted as they approached an area of the river known for its legendary creature, the elusive guardian of the jungle. According to Captain Jack's tales, this creature had the ability to change its form and appearance at will, rendering it nearly impossible to see. As the boat glided through the dense foliage, the air was thick with anticipation. Emily, fueled by her love for conservation, expressed a genuine curiosity about the Guardian's role in maintaining the jungle's delicate balance. Captain Jack shared the local legend of how this mystical creature was said to protect the jungle from those who sought to exploit its resources. Just as they thought they might glimpse the creature, a thunderstorm rolled in, casting an ominous shadow over the jungle. The rain poured down in torrents, and Captain Jack skillfully navigated through the rushing waters. Lightning illuminated the ancient trees, revealing fleeting glimpses of the Guardian's luminous eyes. As the storm passed, the jungle seemed to breathe a sigh of relief, and a sense of peace settled over the boat. Dr. Amelia marveled at the idea of such a majestic being protecting the ecosystem. With the storm behind them, the journey continued, and the explorers encountered breathtaking landscapes, each more mesmerizing than the last. They marveled at colorful birds, delicate butterflies, and awe-inspiring flowers. Finally, they reached the heart of the jungle, a hidden lagoon filled with iridescent flora. In its center stood the Temple of Serenity, the ancient structure that had drawn Dr. Amelia to the jungle cruise in the first place. Venturing into the temple, the explorers uncovered precious artifacts and hidden chambers that held the secrets of the jungle's past. The ancient inscriptions spoke of harmony between humans and nature, urging future generations to protect and cherish the wilderness. Their adventure came to a close, but the memories of the jungle cruise would stay with them forever. As they bid farewell to Captain Jack and the mystical jungle, they each knew that this experience had changed them in profound ways. Dr. Amelia returned with newfound knowledge, ready to share her discoveries with the world and inspire future explorations. Samuel's photographs became a testament to the beauty and importance of preserving such biodiverse ecosystems. Emily took on a mission to advocate for the conservation of the jungle and all its inhabitants. And as for Captain Jack, he knew that the jungle had given him more than he could ever have imagined. He had shared the wonders of the jungle cruise with yet another group of adventurers, and with every journey, the magic of the jungle grew stronger. For the jungle cruise was not merely a place of wonder and adventure. It was a reminder that we are all interconnected, that the treasures we seek are not always material, and that the greatest discovery of all lies in understanding and respecting the delicate balance of nature. And so, the legend of the jungle cruise lived on, drawing in new explorers and seekers of magic, all eager to experience the enchantment of the untamed jungle and learn the timeless wisdom it had to offer.